The Philippines is now the top banana exporter in Asia and the second biggest in the world. The Philippines banana industry is an industry where they have proven that the Philippines can be the best in the world. They have been recognized as one of the most efficient banana producing countries, offering the highest quality standard in terms of taste and aesthetic appearance. These bananas thrive best in the southern island of Mindanao, blessed with vast rich land, even rainfall, abundant sunlight, excellent water, and gentle wind.